Well, we are back. And a lot of people have been eating me up in comments, and people I know as well, about not having my Tyvek up yet. Well, it's going up today, or at least it's starting today. I'm sure people will find something else to complain about. There's no shortage of things around here that I could have done differently, but we're getting ready to start putting the Tyvek up on these walls. This is gonna be fun. Good God Almighty. Can you get me another tube?
Yep. It's in the room, right?
Yes, ma'am. See if I can get this laser where I need it. We used a laser level to set the height of the previous tubes, so we did the same thing again this time to make sure that we were running at the same level. Here. It's touching right on the edge of this one.
Uh-huh.
Once we cut the tubes and set them in, started pouring the concrete, we used the level again just to make sure we were at the right height. that's it for tonight. Obviously, we're out of light. It's time to go home. Be back tomorrow unless we get rained out. It's calling for a lot of rain. Sometimes that doesn't really happen. And first thing in the morning, if it's good, I'll be back up here digging. See you then. Well, we're almost done with these extra 4 footings. Now, why are we putting another 4 footings on here? Because county code stipulates certain ways that the weight has to bear on the beams and where you would attach the other piece of the deck supports. I can't just put a deck support on top of the ground. It has to be 24 inches into the ground, or I have to attach a ledger board by drilling holes and concrete anchors into my foundation. I don't want to do that. I would rather dig these post footings, even though it's a pain, because that way I know I haven't done anything to my foundation. We're going to backfill everything really well to make sure we don't have to worry about frost heave. And this area is also going to be cut up. The ground is going to be graded so that water doesn't flow this direction. I also have a French drain that runs along the foundation that will take any water away, so it should be fine. And by the way, this is our 6th wedding anniversary, so this is how we're spending our wedding anniversary this year, digging holes.
Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna go get the laser.
It's nice to have somebody who's willing to wipe the cement off my face or clean my glasses so that I can see well enough to do what I need to do. And when you're walking through life, it's nice to have someone who's willing to walk next to you even when you don't always know exactly what you're supposed to be doing to get to where you need to go. They just have enough faith in you to know that you're going to figure it out. We've been doing this for 5 years now. We actually started looking for land just before we got married. And for the last 5 years, we've been working hard together trying to turn this place into something that we dream about.
Well, get out of here by 5 today.
I'm gonna have to go get water. Oh, maybe
You
not.
set your bucket over there, you won't need to. I bet you it'll fill.
Okay.
Set the other one over on that corner.
Babe, I need to get the other concrete.
You want some of that?
Yeah, because we have one 80-pound bag left. And then,
Let's see if I can make it without a bucket.
well, I carried it in the plastic bag because it's already busted. It's heavy.
Yep, it's slippery
wet.
too. It's slippery.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the other concrete because that's not gonna be enough.
Well, we're getting faster at this. I don't know if we're getting better, but we're definitely getting faster. And I don't feel as worn out this weekend as I did last weekend. I've got tomorrow available to do some additional work, so I'll probably be out here when the rain stops to see if there's anything I can get done. I can think of a few things I can do inside here, so I'll probably be out tomorrow. That's it for us this weekend. We're going to head home, dry off. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Come back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. We'll see you then.
Bye.
There we go. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Right in the face.
Right.
Obviously, I'm out of light. Let's see if I can hold this thing up so it makes any sense. I feel like I'm being interrogated.
Hey.
I think that's what smashes me in my face. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard.
Good night. I think I should do that again. You're running out of words.
Yeah, I am.